Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. Doing an unboxing. Haven't done one of these in a while, but I have a lot of extra time on my hands. Why? Well, do we really need to talk about that? You know. We're just gonna have a lot of extra time because, newsflash, I changed my job 4 months ago and I'm a school administrator and Governor Wolf just closed schools for the rest of the year, so. I still am really lucky and I get to work online, but it's just a different world, right? But we're not here for that. More anxiety, more stress, more stuff you guys don't want to talk about. I mean, it's good to be on top of current events, but I feel like right now we can also overload on current events and that can just spiral a lot of anxiety. So let's talk about freaking makeup. Because if it's not plants, it's makeup, and if it's not makeup, it's plants. So we have our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I canceled all of my subscriptions except for BoxyCharm. I canceled BoxyLuxe and Ipsy Ultimate. Not Ultimate, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, because those are my favorite and like, I did not need all that subscription crap. Like, it was time to cut down. It was time to take a hard look at my life choices and prioritize. And I'm glad I did a lot of prioritizing and moved before, actually we moved during the pandemic, so let's just go. Let's just go. Let's go. Full Bloom is the theme and it says grow your beauty skills. Whether you're looking for a one-on-one on liquid liner, basically, you know, bloom, be your best self as much as you can in your house. We're doing the best. Ooh, I don't want to cheat. I already see something I don't like and judge me down in the comments for not liking something in a subscription box. Because we all know that that's a hot take. Sheet masks. Popular in the beauty community, not popular in the Meg community. You know, I don't know how many times I have to tell them like sheet masks, nah brah, but they're like, Meg, your skin is just out of control and it needs this. At first I thought that the little picture there was marijuana on that, but actually it stars. We all know where my head's at. So these look like luxurious. It says use the remaining cream, you know, put it on your face. Look like a cheap version of Iron Man while you do it, you know? That's just the way it is. Can you tell that I've been inside for too long? These apparently retail for $30, so I'd say $15 a piece. And they are Star Skin Instantly Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face Mask. I'll be the judge of that. I'm gonna just root this out from under because it is so cute. But it's the bag! Like, look at, okay, why is my bag? All right, okay. We got a lot of factory access going on here, but we got this like little bamboo piece and it's mint and all. Oh god, of course mine's not gonna close. This is a bad showing, Ipsy. It's probably not closed because, oh, I got it closed. This would be like a cute change purse or a cute, I don't know, I just think it's really cute. It's got flowers on it, it's mint and coral and all those colors. Let me show you what actual color it is because this light is really bright. Hey, what's up? There's the color, Van White, showing you the color. All right, back to bright light, so I look like I have no flaws, no flaws, no flaws. So, I think this is a cute bag. So far, bag's cooler than the masks, PJ masks. So, next we have Cela by Celine Padrisi. I don't know if that's really how you say it. But it says Creme Rose, the very best cream rose. I don't know if I've tried many other cream roses. So, although, I'm so stupid. This is in French, where, you know, they do things different in their sentences. They formulate their sentences different than we do. They put the descriptor of the noun like before. So it's instead of the very best rose cream, it's the very best cream rose. Something like that. I don't know. I took French. So this is some type of cream. Is it a face cream? I don't know. From seed to skin. Sounds awkward. Justly aromatic with notes of sweet jasmine, peach and rosewater, and enriched with Canadian botanicals. I guess French and Canadian makes sense. kupaku butter, and obsidian oil. This velvety body cream hydrates and softens skin. So it's a giant hand cream, which I don't use those very much, but let's see how it smells. Because if it doesn't smell good and it's a hand cream, then what's the point, guys? Am I right? So far, it smells like Suave shampoo. Listen, don't sleep on the Suave shampoo. It smells like drugstore heart stings. I'm gonna guess that Ipsy's gonna this is gonna be the product that Ipsy's gonna inflate and say it's worth like $70 or something. Let's take a look. I feel about the smell, I don't know. I mean, it smells good. It's like sweet with a mix of floral. I'm not really getting the peach or the rose. It just smells like a drugstore shampoo, you know? You know, that like, smells good in your hair, but you know what I'm saying? How much was our hand cream? $39. So I'm glad that wasn't like, I mean, it's still an inflation for it. Just saying. Next we have by Galactic. It's a Jello Gloss Balm. That's interesting. Okay, we have this like cute little millennial pink packaging. Looks very gelatinous. Oh my God. Stop. Ron, stop. It smells like, you know that like super cheap grape smell that like lip smacker would have? That's what this smells like. But the consistency looks cool. I like that like so it's like a clear, just glossy, like you could add it probably to your cheeks to give you that little pinch supple look, or you could put it in your, in your mouth, on your mouth, you know, on your lips, and it'd be nice and hydrating and pretty, and it gives you that like, let's be honest, it's like kind of like greasy look, but it looks like summery, but we love that anyway. It has that cheapo grape smell, is like annoying to me because it's not my favorite smell in the world, but I associate that kind of with cheap stuff. And that's $18. So that's like the same exact cost as getting the Bite Agave in the stick. And that smells delicious and nutritious. The next product we have is another lip product, and I know because why I chose this product. It is the lip color in Campfire by Dose of Colors. Because I've always, first of all, the aesthetic of Dose of Colors packaging, top five, okay? And I love looking at them together, and I just wanted a burnt orange color because I have a million, and I've always been looking at the color in the store. I'm always staring at this color. So when I saw it up as one of the choices, I was like, of course you can see it's like breaking up in there. It's probably like 372 years old. But I'm like, if I always stare at this at the store and want it, why wouldn't I pick it, right? So it's the crapshoot. It's like I could either get a hand cream, which I already did, or I could get a product that I've been looking at in the store. So sometimes I tell them, I'm like, you know what? I trust you. Select for me. And sometimes I'm like, listen, if I've been lusting after it, pick it. So since I picked it, obviously I'm happy about it. So I'm gonna say that that was $18 in Campfire. And while that is a very pretty autumn color, that'll be the next time we're allowed out of our house anyway, so let's stock up our autumn lip colors. Kidding, kidding, kidding. We have a Tarte product, and it is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in black. It's $24, and I already know that I'm not a fan of this liner because I bought a 3-pack over Christmas. Although, you know, sometimes when they do the Christmas selections, they're not the most high quality. And I just find that the Tarte markers, of course, that's like black and lush and beautiful. And I like the idea of the marker and then the liner on the pencil on the other side. So it's like smudge on the bottom, liquid cat eye on the top. I'm looking fly. It's nice and one-stop shop. However, I noticed that I can never get like a full eye look out of these markers because I'll go and I'll do my wing and I'll be like, okay, starting off good. Good, okay, and then it starts to dry out, and now you start getting that grayish charcoal look, and now you're getting that bumpy look because it's just stuck, and you're just like, you know what? Screw this, and you go back to your tried and true of Essence. So, of course, I can always use these in my kit, but I don't really like not using waterproof eyeliner because I do mostly brides, so this would probably not even be used for the liquid eyeliner side. It would be used just for smudging on the pencil side. I'd give this Ipsy, I'd say, no offense, but like a 5 out of 10. I really shouldn't complain though. It's like someone put this together in a freaking pandemic to put this together. So you know what? 10 out of 10, because this is not essential. And the fact that this came is awesome and it makes me feel happy, but God, I hope someone didn't risk their life to send this to me. I hope you're all staying safe, practicing social distancing, and having a fantastic day, guys. Be safe, be smart, and thanks for hanging out with me. You can subscribe, hang out with me some more. We can laugh, have a beer, talk some plants, talk some makeup, depends. You know, depends on my mood. And have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.